Alright, what's going on my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host Terry Z. Welcome to my channel, Buy the Dip. And boy, could I not say any more about the title of my channel, Buy the Dip, more than I can in this video. Alright guys, so I'm putting my money where my mouth is, where I'm telling you guys to buy the dip. That's exactly what I'm doing in today's video. So as you guys seen, I put out a video yesterday on GNUS brands, and I went into the options and looked at GNUS for next Friday. Now, as you can see here, it was a 53-cent contract on a $2 put. So what does that mean? So basically what this means is anytime though you are in a stock price under $3, it will round down to the nearest dollar amount. So being this is 53 cents, it's technically 50 cents. So that is exactly what it is here, and I will show you that. Here you can see. So what I had to do was I had to put up $200 collateral. So Robinhood put that on hold. But also what Robinhood does is gives me an instant $50 credit back. Because for next Friday, I have a put option that I sold above the money. Now what does that mean? Basically, I am very bullish. Let me get my words right here. I'm very bullish on GNUS. Now that's crazy. Not too many people are going to go around saying that they're bullish on GNUS. So what does that mean? So as you can see, if I go here to my portfolio, I currently do have 100 shares of GNUS, and my average price was $3 a share. But I'm not going to get in too much in it. I have been selling calls every week, making my money back, and currently I am down about $30, let's just say, because I've been making really good money on selling calls and they expired worthless, which is great, getting that weekly income. So if I go here to my messages and go to my GNUS, here's what happened. So the contract was actually for 53 cents, but being it was under $3 a share, they rounded it down to 50. So I got a $50 credit basically. So what does this mean? Basically, if GNUS brands is higher than $1.50, I basically made money. If it's $1.50, exactly $1.50 next Friday, I break even. But I don't care if I break even because I want to get more shares, and why not do it with getting a credit to do so? So that's why I don't mind doing this. Even if it does go below $1.40, I really don't care. I don't care. I'll be happy to still pay the $200, and I may only have $10 or $15 invested. I don't see this stock going down any lower than where it's at. If we go here to the actual stock itself and go to GNUS and look at the 3-month chart, I mean, as you can see, if we keep going down and down and down, I mean, it really, right there, $1.46. So, and that was back 2 weeks ago. So even if it does go to $1.46, what am I out, $4? I mean, I don't care about $4 because I just see this stock doing better, and you can see it's kind of hanging around the 155, 160 range right now today. So if this stock, let's just say, stays level at the 160 range, guess what? That guy still has an option if he wants to sell it to me, but he lost $10 basically. So as you can see here, the only reason that on this it says I'm -3 on my return is because basically it wasn't a $53 value, it was only 50. So that's why, because they rounded down to 50. Now if it would have been 55 exactly, I would have got the $55 credit. So technically right now we're even. As you can see, the GNUS brand is at $1.60. So if that stock stays at $1.60 all week, more than likely this guy will not want to execute his right to sell me the shares because he's going to lose $10 if he does. Now, I don't care if he does, because then if he does make me buy him at the $200, guess what? I already made $10. And guess what that's going to do? That's going to average cost my price down on my, that will give me 200 shares of GNUS for $500. So that's not bad at all. What's that put me at? Like 250 a share, something like that, $2.25 a share. So yeah, I mean, I'm happy either way. I just wanted to bring you this here, showing you guys that I'm bullish on GNUS. If we go here to the options, let's just go to the options real quick. If you guys want to get in here and do this, you might want to check it out. If you have $200 to put up, you go to trade GNUS options, and if you go to sell a put, yeah, it's the same thing. So right now it's the same price. If you guys want to get in there now, by the time you see this video, it's probably going to be late Friday night, so the actual trading will be down. But maybe Monday, if this stock pretty much stays around the $1.60, you'd be able to get this $50 credit just like I did. And like I said, now let's just say if the stock goes down. Let's say it goes down to $1. Okay, yes, so I'm forced to buy 100 shares at $2. So I will lose a bit of money, but that's okay because I'm looking at as this company keeps presenting good news. Now, what do you mean by good news? As I put in my video yesterday, this stock has always put out great news, and the CEO newsletter, quick rundown, that they hired the writer of SpongeBob SquarePants. That's right. So if you guys didn't see my video yesterday, they hired the head writer of SpongeBob, Stephen Banks, to head write Stan Lee's superhero Kindergartner, which also has Arnold Schwarzenegger doing a voiceover, and Arnold is also a huge shareholder of GNUS brand. So, I mean, just get on here, guys. Check out the GNUS information. This stock is crazy. I mean, they got the writer for SpongeBob SquarePants. That is crazy. So I don't care either way if I have to buy them or don't have them, but buy them. But if I don't, I get a $50 credit. I get to keep it. I made 50 bucks. My $200 collateral will go back in my account, and I'm making like 25% of my money. So that's crazy. 25% return on $200, get a $50 credit, and I don't care if I have to buy the stock or not. Call me crazy, but let's just run down the quick two examples. So let's say this stock shoots up in price. Well, guess what? The more this stock goes up, the more this guy is going to lose money, and the more he's not going to want to execute the right because he will lose more money. The share price is still $1.60, which is roughly about what it was when I purchased this contract, so that's great. So yeah, I mean, if this stock goes to $2, guess what? He's not going to make me buy them, but if he does, he lost $50 because he already gave me $50 credit. If the stock goes down to $1.50, we break even. Neither of us make money, let's put it that way. If it goes to $1.50, I will get exactly even, and he will be even as well, so no one wins, no one loses. But I don't care either way. If this stock goes down, I'm happy. If it goes up, I'm happy, because either way, in my opinion, I'm winning, because either I'm going to have 200 shares of GNUS and I'll get that credit. And when this stock has more fantastic news, because I do believe in the company of GNUS, I'm very bullish, and I just see like this company always has great news, and these people are working like crazy to bring us something good for the children. And guys, I believe in them, man. I think they're going to do it. I just have a good feeling about GNUS. So the more shares I can acquire at this $1.50 price range, under $2, I'm a happy camper. And I like to get a couple more and just build them up. Because there's going to be a day when me and Mr. Arnold here, as you can see right there, we're going to cash in our shares and be happy campers, or just selling call options and making that weekly passive income. So that's what I see happening. You can see, man, this place is just really looking good. They have their toys out at Walmart, Amazon. They have an Emmy Award winning management team. I mean, this is just crazy, man. Get on here and do a little research, but just something about that gut feeling on this, that I think that this is a winner, man. I really believe this is a winner. So, all right, guys, if you like this video, smash that like button. Really helps out the channel. Comment down below, and I'll shoot you a reply. And guys, just like I did in this video, always remember to buy the dip.